When most people think of abs, they visualize a six-pack, not the muscles on the sides, but your obliques are key to rotation, balance, and a strong, stable core. Your obliques include two main muscles: the external obliques, which run diagonally down the sides, and the internal obliques layered underneath. Together, they control twisting, side bending, and help protect your spine. The obliques also contribute to healthy breathing patterns and intra-abdominal pressure, a key component of spine protection during heavy lifts and sustained movement. Weak obliques can lead to poor posture, weak rotational power, and even low back pain, especially during twisting movements or lifting heavy loads. To target the obliques effectively, you'll want to train across these movement patterns: rotation, like Russian twists, or side chops; a lateral flexion, like side crunches or side bends; an anti-rotation or stability, like side planks or loaded carries. Instead of doing endless reps of crunches, just pick 1 to 2 quality oblique exercises per session, making sure each pattern is included. That's really how you build a balanced, functional core, not just visible abs. Don't let your obliques be the weakest link in your chain. Train them with intention and purpose. Your body, posture, and athleticism will all improve. Subscribe for more anatomy-backed muscle breakdowns, and elevate the way you train smart.